Let's consider balancing chemical reactions. As an example, consider the combustion of butane, C4H10, with oxygen to give carbon dioxide plus water. Typical combustion reaction. So, balancing reactions is like piecing together a puzzle. There's no set one way to do it, but there are some tricks that are commonly used to make it easier. So, we want to save elements, molecules with only one type of atom. Here, like O2 is an element. We'll save it for last. We'll take the most complicated molecule and start with it. So here we have 14 atoms in C4H10. So we'll start here. So on the left side of the equation we have 4 carbon atoms. On the right side of the equation we only have 1. So we'll put a coefficient of 4 in front of carbon dioxide to give us 4 total carbon atoms. So you'll notice that when we add 4 carbon atoms from this coefficient, we're also adding 8 oxygen atoms because carbon dioxide is a molecule consisting of both carbon and oxygen. So that's why we're saving O2 for last. Now, in our butane molecule, we have 10 hydrogens. So if we go to the right side of the equation, water has 2 hydrogens, so if we add a coefficient of 5 in front of water, that'll give us 10 total oxygens. So now both carbon and hydrogen are balanced, the same number on both sides of the equation. We need to balance oxygen now, so we have more oxygens on the right side of the equation, so we'll add the oxygens on the right side, and then use a coefficient on the left side to balance oxygens. So let's see how many we have. We have 8 oxygens from carbon dioxide plus 5 oxygens from water. So that's a total of 13 oxygen atoms. That looks like 130, 13 O atoms. So that means we need 13 oxygen atoms on the left side of the equation, but our oxygens come in the form of O2 molecules. And so if we use the fraction 13 halves, that will give us 13 oxygen atoms. So 13 times 2 is 26, divided by 2 is 13. Okay, so commonly we'll change all the coefficients to whole numbers. So if we multiply all the coefficients by 2, then we will have all whole number coefficients. So that would be our balanced equation.